Tube thickness seems to be pretty consistent, don't you think?
Oh yeah, it's pretty good.
They have a great treatment program, and that guy is...
He's good, huh?
He's good. He's very picky. Nobody messes with him. And that's the way a good treatment program should be. You know, don't fix it if it ain't broke.
Right.
So...
Yeah, these things, it's always the inside that goes bad, not the outside.
Yep. So you guys were in here when that one was thrashing around a little bit.
Yeah.
That one. Shit.
Ducking for cover.
Yeah. Not sure what that was yet. They're going to find out. It can be a lot of things. Here they get gas from the gas company, but the gas company can switch the pressure on them just like that without telling them.
Really?
And they got some deal worked out where they get free gas because they allow the gas company to use the airport to run their lines underground or something. But the gas company is contingent on changing gas pressure whenever they feel like.
Yeah.
These things can't react that quick. And so you can have a